Hi, I'm Presley, and we're here in the open city district of the Ericsson stand. And what we're showing here in what we call the hardware store are all the radios and routers and adapters and LAN solutions that make up the use cases that are being shown in other booths. So we have our branch devices. Our E400 is the very popular all-in-one. We've got our adapter and our LAN solutions, the AP and the switch. And we're also showing all the ruggedized devices for mobile and IoT use cases. People are very excited to see the R2400 and the RC1250 and talk about how that's going to be used to change our vehicle use cases and also IoT. We're also showing, and when I say use cases, people are very interested around the whole hall about what these devices do, how these solutions can be used in different use cases. So we're using our digital demo to show all the demos of that. And we've been clicking in and showing many different use cases, not just in this stand on the demo digitally, but in the other demos that you've seen. The icing on the cake is the ability to show this instance of NetCloud that includes all of our solutions across the portfolio. So we have our router page here, but we're also being able to show Anna, which is showing the AI for questions like what we asked here is talk about the QoE, the trend of QoE on a specific device. And then she is showing that. This has been really well received. People are very excited to see how Anna can help troubleshoot the network, troubleshoot things going on with the devices in both a wireless WAN and private 5G. James, I'm going to turn it over to you to share the other half of the booth.
Yeah, so one of the things that enterprises wonder about is how different is enterprise or is private 5G, and they think it's a little bit of a mystery. And so we want to demystify some of those concerns by actually showing them the product. First thing we show is that, hey, it looks like hardware from an antenna and radio perspective, and we were showing that here. We're also showing the server stack and say, you know what, that's not too different from your wiring closet, although it does have one thing that's different, and that's a baseband. The critical part of a baseband is it orchestrates all the communication and handoffs between the different radios. And that's why private 5G is actually superior to Wi-Fi in many instances. Now, the second thing they want to know is, besides just, hey, does it integrate and look like my IT hardware, but can I manage it in the same way? Is it as easy? Well, we've been working on that for the last 18 months, and we have a great story to tell. So we are actually integrating the management system from our EP5G system into NetCloud. Now, we know our customers love NetCloud, and this is a welcome change. So you can see here's an example where you can get visibility from the antenna to the baseband to the unit all the way down to the radio dot and be able to get the same kind of look and feel that they would get managing a Wi-Fi network. So we are optimistic that customers will embrace the technology and say, hey, it's not that much of a step as they get a superior result.